Hello, so this is the unboxing of the UPPA Baby CRUZ 2017 in the style Gregory. So this is the box that it came in. Obviously there's lots of packaging and instructions at the very top. So this is just going to be an unboxing. It's not a review yet. I'll be doing that in about a month or two from now. The Gregory style in particular was hard to find. It was sold out in all the stores. I guess it was more of an exclusive style, so I had to order it online. My first thought was that it was pretty light coming out of the box. It's not heavy at all compared to my other older strollers. And so just taking off all the plastic, all the protective padding all over it. My little one wanted to help me with that. So here it is, and there's lots of styrofoam everywhere. So the gray one is a safety latch to keep it closed when it's collapsed and to open it. This one was just a strap that it came attached with, so I just took it off. And there was the same strap on the other side, so I just took that one off as well. So this is the canopy that it came with. It's still that Gregory style color, so it's more of like a blue-gray color. And it has the UV protection in it and the extended UV underneath, which I forgot to pull out and show. But so I just lifted the gray safety latch on the side, on the left side, and pulled it up. That was pretty easy. And this is what it looks like standing upright. So this is the harness. It comes with the little pads on it, I guess to protect their neck, their skin there. Make it a little bit more comfortable. There's just a couple more safety things that I have to take off. The paper's there. The underneath basket, which is huge, and the footrest, which is underneath. It comes underneath, so I'll have to use the buttons to bring it on out. The wheels are very easy to install. You just take them out of that cardboard, take off the styrofoam top, and I'll show how to just plug it in. So that's basically what you do, is just snap it on in from the bottom. So the bigger wheels go in the back and they snap on from the side, not the bottom. And I'll show the front wheels how they're installed. So yep, it's just that little tip there. You lift up the top of the stroller and just shove it on in. But it's easier when you move the wheel to the back a little bit more, just like so, and clip it down. Easy, very easy. The side, I didn't include the footage because I couldn't find it, but you basically just snap it in from the side and not the bottom. It's very easy. So this part is the adjustable footrest. It has the two buttons on the side you press at the same time and then pull it out to the desired point that you want it at. It does go up one higher than that. The underneath basket is huge. I love that. I can shove anything in there. I love the pockets because I can put bottles or sippy cups or whatever underneath without it sliding along the bottom. This one is the adjustable handlebar. You just push the lever there and pull up, and push it and pull down. Again, it has the leather straps on both sides. So I want to show how you can put on the canopy. Put it on the back way first, the material part. And once you have that through the adjustable button, you can then snap on the sides onto the seat. So there we are. I really like the look of this canopy. I forgot to show the inside extension for the canopy, but it does give a little bit extra coverage. And without snapping on the other part of the canopy, I just want to show quickly the mesh window there, and it can be, see, it can hold with that little tab. So then I finally snapped it in, and it looks really good. So here's the instruction manual, and it comes with the leather belly bar, and as well as the rain cover and the mesh netting cover. So here's the belly bar, super easy. You just take off the styrofoam, that's the zipper, I guess that's how it goes on and off, and just snap it right in on the sides. You can see at the very bottom of it, there's a gray button that you push and then you open up the bar. That's how you do that. It has the UPPA Baby imprinted on it, and use those snaps on the side to take up and down the seat, snap it in place, and you can remove it and turn it the other way as well, which is fantastic. Forward and rear facing. For on those windy days, here's how you do the other side. I made it look more difficult than it actually is, I guess because I was using one hand at the time. So here is the harness. You push the button, the light gray colored button in the middle, and it pops open to both sides. Easily goes in and out, it's fine. And then the padding on it, as well as the adjustable sizes. The pull-throughs on the seat. This is just a quick look of what it looks like on its own and then put together on the top. I went ahead and purchased the snack tray for it as well. It does sit fairly high. I've heard comments about that before. So it's not really around their belly level. It's a little bit higher, which can be annoying, I guess. Just depends on what you like. And here is the cover for the water rain cover. My little one wants to sit in it. He was already trying to climb in it, so I just let him sit in the stroller and try it out for a minute. So here is the cover. There's tons of paper inside of it. So after I got all of that out, I tried it on. I didn't want to put it on him, so I waited until he was off of it. But then I tried it on, and it fits perfectly, obviously, to the specific seat. So that was great. There are two Velcro attachments on the side of it so that it can properly be secured on the stroller so it's not blowing away when you have it on. And here's the mesh netting inside the bag as well. And I'll be showing in a second it folded up. You can't fold it and have it standing up. It has to be lying on the ground, which is one downside. I don't like that. But there it is. So thanks for watching, guys.